Program overview. The Business Analysis Certification Program is aligned with the Business Analysis Body of Knowledge Guide, IIBA 43, and has a total of 14 sections that are also presented as individual courses for your convenience. In the first course, the one called Introduction to Business Analysis, we're going to talk about some of the foundational concepts related to business analysis. First, we're going to look at business analysis and what it is, what a business analyst does, and some of the core concepts related to working in this field. Then we'll look at some of the key terms such as stakeholder, requirements, and design. In the second course, the one called Business Analysis Planning and Monitoring, we're going to begin looking at the business analysis knowledge areas, beginning with areas business analysis planning and monitoring. The tasks in this knowledge area produce documents that direct you as a business analyst throughout a project. These documents include the general approach you'll take, the plan for engaging stakeholders, and how you'll manage information and changes to the requirements. In the third course, the one called Business Analysis, Elicitation, and Collaboration, we're going to examine the ongoing process of elicitation and collaboration and find out how business analysts identify and reach agreements with stakeholders on requirements. The tasks in this knowledge area describe how you, as a business analyst, reach a mutual understanding of various types of business analysis. Information with stakeholders. The activities associated with this task include workshops, surveys, and ad hoc collaboration and conversations. In the fourth course, the one called Business Analysis and Requirements, Lifecycle Management, we're going to begin looking at the business analysis knowledge area, requirements, lifecycle management. Requirements are the foundation of all your business analysis activities. If the objective of a project is to deliver solutions that best meet requirements, then you'd best keep a close eye on those requirements and the designs that address them. So look at what your role is in tracing and maintaining requirements and designs. In the fifth course, the one called Business Analysis and Strategy Analysis, we're going to look at the knowledge area strategy analysis and the 4 tasks that make it up. It covers everything from assessing the current state of operations, doing some visioning regarding a desired future state, determining what the risks are that will need to be managed, and then coming up with the best strategy for realizing the desired future state. In the 6th course, the one called Business Analysis and Requirements Definition, we're going to begin looking at the knowledge area requirements analysis and design. Definition. This course covers the first 3 tasks, which involve creating a list of requirements and then verifying that they are of sufficient quality to be used for further work, and then validate them to ensure they deliver benefits to the stakeholders, align with the business goals, and align with the objectives of the chain. 7th course is part 2 of Requirements, Analysis and Design. Definition topic. It covers the last 3 tasks, which are all related to creating a requirements architecture. You develop a set of design and analyze those to determine where the best value is. The final step is to develop the solution recommendation that represents the best design. In the 8th course, the one on Business Analysis and Solution Evaluation, we will look at all the tasks that make up the final knowledge area solution evaluation. It involves measuring and learning work analyzing solution performance as well as identifying limitations within the solution and the enterprise that may be keeping the solution from reaching its full value potential. The final task is to recommend actions to remove the limitations and thereby increase the value of the solution. The ninth course is the one on analytical techniques used for business analysis. One definition of analysis is to break down a problem or process into its elemental parts to identify solutions. Could also apply to breaking something down to identify problems or opportunities for change. Analytical techniques assist the business analyst to identify problems and to find solutions. This course will introduce analysis tools for scoping and planning, models that support business analysis, and analyses that support decision-making. Some examples: benchmarking and market analysis, document analysis, scoping, modeling and state modeling. We are also going to discuss about process modeling, process analysis, organizational modeling, interface analysis, data flow diagrams, data mining, data modeling, and prototyping. Finally, some words about risk analysis and management, financial analysis, root cause analysis, SWOT analysis, and decision modeling and decision analysis. In the 10th course, the one called Activities and Tools Used for Business Analysis, will continue to look at many of the techniques you'll use as a business analyst. The categories of techniques covered in this course include idea generation and data gathering techniques that you can use with groups such as brainstorming, collaborative games, and workshops. We'll also look at decision-making techniques such as estimation and prioritization. Finally, we'll talk about several tools used for business analysis, such as backlog management, balanced scorecard, and business model. Canvas. In the 11th course, the one called Documentation and Criteria Used for Business Analysis, we're going to look at types of documents you will use as a business analyst. Some of them are glossaries and business rules you'll need. Others are documents you'll create that contain business cases, use cases, and user stories. The final type of documents we'll look at contain metrics and criteria you'll use for evaluating performance and establishing requirements. The 12th course, the one called Business Analysis Competencies. Personal Skills is the first in a two-part series on business analysis. Competencies, or underlying competencies, as they're called in the IIBA guide. These competencies represent skills and knowledge that all business analysts should have in order to excel at their jobs. There are 6 categories of competencies altogether, and in this course, we'll be looking at 3 of them: analytical thinking and problem solving, communication skills, and interaction skills. The 30th course, the 30th one called Business Analysis Competencies. Professional Effectiveness covers behavioral characteristics such as personal accountability, trustworthiness, adaptability and organization, and time management. We'll also look at various areas of business knowledge that are important to business analysis. Finally, we'll talk about some of the tools and technology that business analysts use on the job. 14th and last course of this program, the one called Business Analysis Perspectives, we'll be looking at 5 different perspectives from which business analysis may need to view their work. Perspectives are used within business analysis to provide focus for the tasks you will carry out. They'll also come with a set of techniques that are specific to the context of the change initiative. We'll look at include agile development, business intelligence, information technology, business architecture, and business process management. That's the broad picture. Next, some guidelines for better